Hi everybody, this is a new listing that we have in Sacramento. You will not find something this large for under 400,000. So I want you to check it out. They do have a converted garage with a bedroom in here. So you have a nice living room, bedroom right here, window and everything. And then we have washer dryer. Nice area here that connects the whole house. In the back patio, they have a sunroom that is completely redone. They even have a stove out there and a bathroom if you want to use that. You have a large dining kitchen combo. The kitchen is all redone and it's lots of cabinet space, large sink, windows, a lot of light. They actually spent a lot of money raising up the ceiling with skylight. You have fans in all the rooms, the living spaces, laminate floors. Yep.
All right, so let me take you to the living room area here. You can see you've got a beautiful tile fireplace here. You've again got that nice coffered ceiling. And as you can see, you've got a functional fireplace. The nice thing about the house is that you've got crown moldings throughout. You can see it kind of reminds you of a really nice Chinese restaurant. And then let me take you into the bedrooms here. So here we've got a supply cabinet. We've got a HVAC cabinet. You've got a beautiful granite countertop, nice drawers with soft closing. You've got a toilet here, extra cabinet space, and a fiberglass bathtub. And as you can see here, you've got a really large size. Now the nice thing is they've got the crown molding, but they've also got rid of the popcorn ceiling. You've got ducted HVAC. Okay. Excuse me. Here is the master. Look at the beautiful bathtub here. It's an elongated bathtub, so you have extra space. And then you've got this beautiful tile floor that's inlaid here. Now let me tell you about the backyard here. As you can see, you've got a really large lot. You've got nice mature trees about 60 to 100 feet tall. And then on this side, you've actually got really long driveway. So if you wanted to park a boat or RV, then you'll be able to park it through there. And there's also a storage shed.
All right, so this house is actually 3-bedroom, 2-bath originally. But then now you have the extra bedrooms, another extra bed. So it becomes like 5 bedrooms. 2 families can live here. And the great thing about this property is you have 2 exits. You have a door here, as well as the front door that we came in at. It is a corner lot. It's a very nice neighborhood. It's quiet. You have a lot of space for remodeling and gardening.
Mm-hmm. And then also mature landscaping.
Oh, you gotta do a video?
Okay. Yeah. So you have a side yard here as well. It wraps around the front. You have 2-car garage, parking space, and lots of parking space in the front of the house as well as the side. And then of course, you know, your garage with your driveway. An excellent neighborhood, very quiet, a lot of retirees here. Okay. All right, bye guys.